another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making some bacon wrapped garlic honey chicken. And I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna do it. We're gonna get these in the oven. We're gonna season them up. We're gonna wrap them in bacon. We're gonna get them in the oven, let them halfway cook, and then we're gonna make our honey and garlic sauce. And then we're just gonna baste it with that and put it in the oven. It's going to be amazing, guys. Amazing. So, I have my paper towel here. We want to go ahead and dry off these chicken thighs, just like so. We want them dry. Then we're going to grab my bacon. First, we're going to season it up, and then we're going to grab the bacon. Just like so. We just want them dry. We just want them dry. Alright. And I've already cleaned my chicken thighs. Absolutely amazing. Alright. So, first we're going to need some delicious Shelly's house seasoning. This works on everything. On everything. You want to season your chicken with your favorite seasoning combo, whatever you like. You know, season your chicken with it. Your favorite all-purpose seasoning, or whatever you have. Put it over. Roll the chicken over. Just like that. And we're going to season the other side. Now we're going to use some chicken bouillon only on one side because that thing is salty. But we're going to put it on the meat side down. And this is beef. This chicken. It's going to be absolutely flavorful and delicious. Just like this episode. Alright. Now. Just a little bit. Just add some more flavor with chicken bouillon. That way you ain't even gotta add no salt. But the bacon gonna give you salt, the chicken bouillon, and the house seasoning or your favorite combo mix gonna give you that. Extra. Alright. Come back. I'm gonna go ahead and alright guys, so see here I have some center cut bacon, just like that. Beautiful bacon. We're going to get our bacon. We're just going to take it and we're just going to wrap our chicken right into the bacon. And then we're going to put seam side down. Since these are chicken thighs, we're going to do 2 pieces of bacon on there, and it should look like this. Just like this. Bacon. Two pieces. Wrap our chicken just like so. Beautiful. You just keep doing it. That's how you're doing. Nothing hard about these dishes in this kitchen. I just be putting them together. And you can do the same thing too, because if I can do it, you can definitely do it. Not that hard, not that difficult. Just get in there and do it. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Wrap that around. Like that. Yep. This one. Running out of bacon. I'm running out of bacon, guys. Alright. When I come back, we're going to get them into the pan. Alright guys, so we're back. We're just going to add my pan with our bacon wrapped chicken. I'm just going to get it in there. Now notice that some of them have two and others have one because I ran out of bacon. But if you want, you can wrap it in two, you can wrap it in a one. Still going to have that same flavor. I thought I was doing something buying one pack of bacon. Guess not. Look at that. Amazing. Y'all see that? Isn't that gorgeous already? I haven't even done anything to it, but seasoned it, wrapped it in bacon. Alright, so now we're going to get this into a 425 degree oven for about an hour. Well, for about 40 minutes. And then we're going to come back. When I come back, we're going to make that sauce. Alright guys, I'll see you when we come back. Alright guys, so I'm back here to make our honey garlic sauce. I had some honey here. I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup honey. Just like so. Some Shelly's house seasoning. Put that up in there. Some Worcestershire sauce. A tablespoon of that. Some garlic. Tablespoon of garlic. And just a capful of lemon juice, guys. That's all you need. Get in here. Just get together. We'll mix it together, stir it together, however you want to do it. And garlic sauce. This is what you need. Alright, so when we come back, we're going to go ahead and get it all on our chicken and put it back in the oven. Alright guys, so I have my bacon wrapped chicken. Now you don't even have to do this extra step. You could have just left it and eat it just like this. I'm going in with my garlic honey sauce. Give it all the amazing flavor and attention give to it. Put it all on there. It's going to be delicious. Amazing. Just getting it a little bit under the bottom. Mostly on top, because it's going, well, it has a lot of juice in here, even though I didn't put anything in here. But the juice from the chicken makes its own juice. That's why when I bake chicken, I don't add any like liquids. It's gonna be real liquidy. So this goes back into that 425 degree oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. When it comes back out, it's going to be absolutely amazing, and we're going to give it a try. Alright guys, so this is the end result of our chicken. Looks absolutely amazing. You break one of these open. This one looks good to me. I like the way this one looks. Look at that. Look at that. Right. Oh yeah, it's tender. Look at that. I didn't even really do nothing to it. Look at that chicken right there. Baby. Look at that. If you don't like pork bacon, use turkey bacon. If you don't want turkey bacon, use beef bacon. I don't know. It's your choice, your preference. Wrap it in this bacon. Make that sauce. And let's get down. It's so good. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. All the ingredients are going to be in the description as always. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. And cheers. And I'm going to see you in the next video.